Hello, guys! If you're looking for the best new Grand Seiko watches for men, you're in the right place. All the watches are described as based on specifications. All the watches buying links were given in video description. If you have any questions, please comment in a comment section. Number 6. Grand Seiko Sport Collection SBGA403. Case material, high-intensity titanium. Glass material, dual curved sapphire crystal. Glass coating, anti-reflective coating on inner surface. Lumabrite on hands, indexes, and bezel. Case size, diameter 44.5 millimeters by thickness 14.3 millimeters. Clasp type, three-fold clasp with secure lock and push-button release. Solid and slide adjuster. Caliber number 9R15. Instructions, movement type, spring drive. Power reserve, approximately 72 hours or 3 days. Accuracy, plus 0.5 seconds per day, plus 10 seconds per month. Water resistance, 20 bar. Magnetic resistance, equipped. Other details and features, 30 jewels. Limited edition on the case back. Power reserve display. Screw case back. Screw down crown. See-through case back. Serial number engraved on the case back. Number 5. Grand Seiko SBGJ249. Case material, stainless steel. Glass material, box-shaped sapphire crystal. Glass coating, anti-reflective coating on inner surface. Case size, diameter 39.5 millimeter. Thickness 14.1 millimeter. The parameter of the band 185 millimeter. Clasp type, three-fold clasp with a push-button release. Movement type, automatic with manual winding. Power reserve, approximately 55 hours. Accuracy, plus 5 to minus 3 seconds per day, when static. Plus 8 to negative 1 seconds per day. Normal usage accuracy. Water resistance, splash resistant. Magnetic resistance, equipped. Weight, 150 grams. Other details, features, 24-hour hand. Dual time display function, 37 jewels. Calendar, linked time difference, adjustment function. Case back with 6 screws. Case back with lion emblem. Date display. See-through case back. Number 4. Grand Seiko 60th Anniversary Limited Edition SLGH002. Case material, 18 karat yellow gold. Glass material, box-shaped sapphire crystal. Glass coating, anti-reflective coating on inner surface. Case size, diameter 40 millimeter by thickness 11.7 millimeter. Band material, crocodile leather. Clasp type, three-fold clasp with push-button release. Caliber number, 9SA5. Instructions, movement type, automatic with manual winding. Accuracy, plus 5 to minus 3 seconds per day, when static. Plus 8 to minus 1 seconds per day, normal usage accuracy. Water resistance, 10 bar. Magnetic resistance, equipped. Other details or features. Case back with lion emblem. Date display, limited edition on the case back. Screw case back. See-through case back. Serial number engraved on the case back. Number 3. Grand Seiko Elegance Collection SBGZ001. Water resistance 3 bar. Magnetic resistance 4800 AM. Diameter 38.5 millimeters. Thickness 9.8 millimeters. Crocodile leather strap with folding clasp with push-button deployment. Limited edition of 30 pieces worldwide. Number 2. Grand Seiko Elegance Collection SBGY002. Power reserve, approximately 72 hours, 3 days. Accuracy, plus 1 second per day, plus 15 seconds per month average. Water resistance, splash resistant. Magnetic resistance, equipped. Weight, 92.0 grams. Other details and features. 18 karat yellow gold clasp, 30 jewels. Case back with lion emblem. Power reserve display. Screw case back. See-through case back. Stop second-hand function. Number 1. Grand Seiko White Snowflake Dial Spring Drive High-Intensity Titanium SBGA249 72-hour, 3-day power reserve. Unique pure white snowflake design dial. See-through case back. Case back with lion emblem. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp deployment, clasp. Case material, high-intensity titanium. Case diameter, 41 millimeters. Case thickness, 12.5 millimeters. Band material, high-intensity titanium. Band color, silver. Dial color, white snowflake. Bezel material, high-intensity titanium. Calendar, date. Special features, spring drive movement has 30 joules. Movement, mechanical spring drive. Water-resistant depth 100 meters.